Here are 23 useful German verbs in under 2 minutes. Tun, to do, to put. Wehtun, to hurt. Leid tun, to be sorry, to regret. Sich vertun, to make a mistake. Wegtun, to put something away. Zurücktun, to put something back. Dazu tun, to add to. Hinzu tun, to add ingredients. Jemandem etwas antun, to do something to someone. Sich schwer tun, to have problems with something. Abtun, to dismiss something. Tun als ob, or so tun als ob, to pretend. Sich wichtig tun, to brag. Not tun, to be necessary. Kundtun, to make something known. Gut tun, and also wohl tun, to do you good, to be healthy or pleasant. Hintun, to put something there. Heraus tun, to take something out. Hinein tun, to put something in or inside. Sich zusammen tun, to group up. Es jemandem gleich tun, to do the same thing as someone. Sich hervor tun, to excel.